The complications of managing COVID-era education took a dramatic turn Monday, when state officials issued a rule barring unmasked students from campuses, and then, hours later, rescinded that rule, while keeping in place a mask mandate for all at K-12 schools. Instead, the latest revision allows local school officials to decide how to deal with students who refuse to wear masks, a spokesman for Governor Gavin Newsom said Monday night. The statewide policy that prohibited unmasked students from campus had been intended to provide helpful clarity for local educators as they work to provide a safe environment for staff and students. The original language, which became official at 3 p.m., stated, "Schools must exclude students from campus if they are not exempt from wearing a face covering under California Department of Public Health guidelines and refuse to wear one provided by the school." In addition, the guidance stated that schools should offer alternative educational opportunities for students who are excluded from campus because they will not wear a face covering. But the rule was almost immediately reconsidered. At 7:25 p.m., the California Department of Public Health tweeted out a change of direction. California's school guidance will be clarified regarding masking enforcement, recognizing local schools' experience in keeping students and educators safe while ensuring schools fully reopen for in-person instruction. A spokesman for the governor's office then confirmed that the phrasing about excluding students would be dropped. Instead, local officials would have discretion about how to enforce the mask mandate, just as they had during the school year just concluded, said Alex Stack. Even with mask enforcement left to schools, the state's COVID-19 safeguards rank among the most stringent in the nation. California health and education officials are acutely concerned with cases of the Delta variant on the rise as the new academic year approaches. Newsom and State Public Health Director Mark Ghaly have emphasized that the state is operating within guidelines released Friday by the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which provide schools ample flexibility and prioritize the full reopening of campuses. Under the CDC guidelines, for instance, school officials could choose not to require masks for vaccinated students. Unvaccinated students, however, should be masked and separated by at least 3 feet, part of multiple layers of available safety measures, including good ventilation, campus sanitizing and frequent handwashing. The digital platform Burbio, which earlier tracked school reopenings, has added a tracker on mask mandates. California is one of 10 states it lists as requiring masks. Others include Washington, New Mexico, North Carolina and New York. Some states have defined their own rules outside of CDC guidance.